Welcome to an exciting journey through the United Kingdom's rich historical tapestry. Have you ever wondered about the stories hidden within the ancient walls and towering spires of this fascinating land? Today, we embark on an exploration of the UK's most iconic tourist spots, each a testament to centuries of history waiting to be uncovered. From the mysterious Stonehenge to the grand Edinburgh Castle, these landmarks are more than just sights, they are portals to the past. Join us as we delve into history, setting the stage for an educational adventure you won't soon forget. The Tower of London, an architectural marvel nestled in the heart of the UK, is more than just an iconic landmark. It is a living chronicle of the nation's tumultuous past. From its origins as a royal residence, it evolved into a formidable fortress and infamous prison, witnessing tales of treachery and power struggles. Its walls have echoed with the footsteps of kings, queens, and prisoners alike, each leaving an indelible mark on history. Architecturally, the tower has transformed through ages, showcasing styles from Norman to Gothic. This evolution mirrors the changing tides of British history, each stone a testament to the era it represents. Today, the tower stands as a vibrant symbol of the UK's resilience and architectural ingenuity, drawing millions of visitors captivated by its storied past. The Tower of London is a beacon of both history and culture, offering a glimpse into the past while engaging with the present. As we move from London's towering history, our journey now takes us to another marvel shrouded in mystery, Stonehenge. In the heart of England, Stonehenge stands as an awe-inspiring testament to our prehistoric past. This ancient circle of stones, with its origins dating back over 4,500 years, continues to captivate both historians and visitors alike. The construction of Stonehenge remains a mystery, sparking endless debates about its purpose and creators. Was it an astronomical calendar, a religious site, or perhaps a burial ground? Each stone, meticulously placed, whispers secrets of a bygone era. Beyond its architectural marvel, Stonehenge holds profound cultural and historical significance. It symbolizes endurance, representing the ingenuity and spirituality of our ancestors. Over centuries, it has inspired countless stories and legends, weaving itself into the very fabric of British heritage. Despite extensive research, Stonehenge retains its mystique. New discoveries continue to shed light on this ancient wonder, but many questions remain unanswered. As we unravel its mysteries, Stonehenge invites us on a journey through time, challenging us to imagine the world of its creators. Join us as we explore another iconic landmark in our next segment, Edinburgh Castle, a fortress rich in Scottish history and legend. Perched majestically atop Castle Rock, Edinburgh Castle is more than just a fortress. It's a living chronicle of Scotland's past. For centuries, this grand structure has stood as a sentinel over the city, witnessing the ebb and flow of history. Its strategic location made it a coveted stronghold during countless battles and sieges, playing pivotal roles in the narratives of Scottish royalty and warfare. From hosting regal ceremonies to withstanding fierce conflicts, Edinburgh Castle's walls have absorbed the echoes of power struggles and celebrations alike. Today, as you wander through its ancient halls and gaze out over the sweeping vistas of the city below, you're not just a visitor, you're part of its ongoing story. The allure of Edinburgh Castle extends beyond its historical significance. It captivates tourists from around the globe, offering immersive experiences that transport them back in time. From guided tours revealing hidden tales to interactive exhibits that bring history to life, the castle continues to be a beacon for those eager to explore Scotland's rich heritage. As we leave this fortress behind, our journey through the UK's iconic landmarks continues, each site unravelling its own unique chapter of history. As we conclude our journey through the United Kingdom's iconic landmarks, let's reflect on the historical tapestry we've woven. Each site we've explored is more than a mere tourist destination. It is a living chapter of history, echoing stories of the past that continue to influence the present. From the formidable walls of the Tower of London, resonating with tales of royal intrigue and architectural evolution, to the ancient mystery of Stonehenge, each landmark holds a unique narrative waiting to be discovered. These landmarks are windows into bygone eras, inviting us to step back in time and immerse ourselves in their rich heritage. They stand as testaments to human ingenuity and cultural expression, each stone and structure whispering secrets of those who came before us. As you consider these stories, remember that history isn't just something to be read in books. It's alive, breathing through these magnificent structures, urging us to explore and appreciate. We encourage you to embark on your own adventure, to wander through these sites and uncover the layers of history for yourself. Let your curiosity guide you through the corridors of Edinburgh Castle, or imagine the ancient rituals at Stonehenge. The cultural and educational value of these landmarks is immeasurable. They not only enrich our understanding of the past, but also shape our perspectives on the future. By exploring these sites, you're not just witnessing history, you're becoming part of its ongoing story. So pack your curiosity, set out on this historical voyage, and discover the enduring impact of the UK's landmarks firsthand.